Are you curious about exploring a new and distinctive art form? Flameworked glass sculpture offers a captivating experience for those intrigued by the beauty and complexity of glass, as well as the process of shaping it using a torch and fire. Melanie is a self-taught artist with over 35 years of experience in working with glass. Her early discovery of flameworking sparked a passion that evolved into a rewarding full-time career. Throughout her artistic journey, Melanie has developed her own unique style and techniques. This comprehensive 10-session virtual series documents and demonstrates Melanie's techniques in flameworking. It is specifically crafted for individuals who wish to learn how to work with solid borosilicate glass, especially those who are new to the craft and unsure of how to begin. Participants will receive guidance on selecting the appropriate torches, tools, and glass, as well as setting up a functional workshop. The series covers essential techniques that are necessary to acquire and practice in order to excel at making glass sculptures. Whether you are just starting out or already have some experience with flameworking and want to refine your skills, these sessions are designed to support your growth and mastery of the art form in the world of flamework artistry.